Hello everyone. In cooperation with the Kirkland UK and Antonio Carraro, we are planning an amazing journey which no one done before. So we will be the first ones, and what we are planning is going from Italy, there from Venice, to UK. And how far I know, no one ever done that before. And today I will introduce you with my team. All of us will be driving, so every one of us will be driving, plus Christos will be doing filming with the drone. Carlis will be filming. And Zane will be filming and photographing. What do you expect from this journey?
Well, I expect to have a journey full with unknown, because we're gonna be traveling for like 10 days. So yeah, I expect a lot of fun and a lot of problems too.
Good. Carlis, what are you expecting from this journey?
It's gonna be fun. That's an understatement probably, and it's probably gonna be therapeutic with all the nice locations and beautiful things.
I think the same. It will be fun, and probably we will have a lot of problems and difficulties, and that would be the thing that would make it more fun. I guess.
Yes. So I expect just to get from Italy to UK, nothing else. Kirkland UK is the main dealer in UK, and Antonio Carraro is a tractor manufacturer. So we will be driving tractor from Italy to UK, 1,400 kilometers and 40 kilometers per hour. That's the maximum speed. So it will take, maybe a lot. Please like, share and follow us to see this amazing journey which we will be enjoying, hopefully. Thank you.
Thank you.